See now, obviously the car is off and there's no pulsing of the lights. When I looked down on that ground to the alternator, which when I installed it, I already knew it was kind of a crappy ground. I mean, obviously you can tell it was super crappy. Whoever did it before, they spliced it. You see it there, and they just ran it off of that. So I was just being lazy, and I just connected it to this, and just wanted to see if the alternator worked. So I guess I literally just forgot about going back to rewire the ground to this alternator because I had so many other projects going on. But yeah. So as I look at it, see that part spliced there, and then turn it around, it's kind of opened up down there. Can't really see that. Yeah, it just looks crappy, right? It's crappy. So what I'll do, I'll just cut this and redo a ground up to here properly, and hopefully that would solve my pulsating issue, because it's kind of annoying. You know, I don't know if that's going to lead to other issues too, so we'll see. And then now I'm gonna add some extra wire. Looks like it's a thicker gauge too. So this one's a little bit thicker. Just went ahead and spliced it. I had the male plugs. I already installed the male plug on the alternator. So I have this one here. And then I'll take this, right, and get a replacement to if I can swap this over here to over there. If not, I have to find one similar to this so we can go over to the ground part of the alternator. But it should be easy. 1, 2, 3. And I'm just hoping that this would fix my pulsating lights issue. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I just put the end. This one I was able to just actually just pulled it right off, and this I had to sorry, my hands are dirty, my nails, sorry. But I had to just kind of open up the piece, the mouth part of it, spread it open, use like a small fine Phillips. Of those eyeglass toolkits. I got it from the dollar store. I was able to get pry it open with that. Just use a little baby hammer, open that up. Cut down the wire, tighten it back up. I might put a little piece of electrical tape around it just to kind of secure it. This side is pretty legit. But yeah, I might not put any electrical tape on this. Maybe not. We'll see. But yeah. Let's see, I'm gonna show you what the alternator male end looks like. Let's see if the car will the car. Go here. See if it's a put a male, and this is from the chassis of the car, this part here, and then I can just plug it into this, bam bam, and then get this end back to this piece. That's your power, that's the power part. Yeah, I'm hoping that this will stop the pulsation of my lights. We'll see. Alright guys, so it looks like the lights are still, yeah. I paused for a second because I didn't know if they're still pulsating, but yeah, they're still pulsating. It's kind of hard to tell with my low budget camera. Yeah, so plan B would be to, also got this issue. This just popped up recently. It's a simple fix. I'll go ahead and research that. Simple diagnostic. Could be my brake switch. Maybe not, or a sensor. That's another issue, another day. But all I gotta do is just to clear it out. Yes, it does have 264,000 miles plus, but the car run like it's brand new sometime, you know. So say with the Mercedes, older Mercedes, you can't kill them. Anyway, let's go up to the engine, baby. It looks like I have I guess a bad alternator. I'd have to double check it with my multimeter just to be sure, but it could be the brushes in the alternator that ride against the actual copper coil. So I'm not sure. Sometimes when they remanufacture those things, the brushes on those are not as great. But I'll double check that. I'll keep you guys posted on that for right now. But yeah. Other from that, she's running good. She's running like a champ. You know. So we'll see. See how it goes. I also have a exhaust leak. I have to get to it. That actual bolt that you see right there, that actual head is actually broken off. But it's being held by another bolt, which is, you know, not that great. So I have to go to a exhaust place, the exhaust guy, and see if he can drill that out for me and get a replacement. But other than that, guys, that's it. Okay. I'll come to you live with another one. Hopefully soon enough. Alright guys, later time.